So today I'm reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra to help you decide if this massive new tablet is actually worth the upgrade. Before we get into the specs and all, let me start with something more real. Because the biggest question people are asking isn't about the benchmarks. It's gonna be the upgrade is actually noticeable? Well, there's one moment that surprised me. I opened a huge multi-layer project in Lightroom. The kind that used to make my Tab S8 Ultra stutter. And the S10 Ultra handled it like nothing. No freeze, no reload, nothing. That's when I realized Samsung wasn't exaggerating the performance jump this year. But before I explain why that happened, let's talk about the display. Because Samsung quietly improved the brightness and color accuracy. And you notice it instantly. Even outdoors, it doesn't wash out like older models. And don't worry, I'll get to whether the battery improved, but first, here's the transformation moment. If your older Samsung tablet sometimes drop frames when multitasking, the new Galaxy AI optimized task manager on the S10 Ultra actually fixes that. You can jump between apps like you're using a laptop. Now, about the battery life. It's not drastically longer, but it's more consistent. No weird dips, no sudden overheating, and yes, the new cooling system helps a lot during gaming. Not perfect, but definitely better. Cameras, still tablet cameras, better in low light, but let's be honest, you're not buying a 14-inch tablet for photography. So is it worth the upgrade? If you have the S9 Ultra, maybe not. But if you are coming from anything older, or you actually use your tablet for creative work, editing, school, or multitasking, the S10 Ultra feels like a genuine step forward. And that's it. That's my quick take on the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. If this helped you decide whether it's worth the upgrade, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's also choosing their next tablet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.